Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'll be showing you how to make a grass texture. I mean, like a grass model, like for your game. So it's actually pretty easy. You just want to do this in Blender, because you have to do it in Blender first. Just rotate it exactly 90 degrees, and next you want to do copy and paste it, and rotate this 90 degrees here. Okay, so it should be pretty much like this. Okay, so what you want to do also is you want to Control J to join them, because that'll be important. Now, okay, so once you've imported your grass texture, and you need to import the grass texture and the actual model, you want to go in here and then you want to change it. Oh wait, no, you also want to create a material for this and name it whatever you like. I'm going to name it grass. Then you want to convert this to a deferred decal. No, not deferred, translucent. Okay, so it should look like this, and then you want to go to plug the alpha into the opacity. So it should look like this. If it's not, you must be doing it wrong. You want to plug the alpha into the opacity and make sure it's like that, and then you want to press two-sided. It's important that it's surface, because if it's decal, you can't make it two-sided. Then you want to go back to the grass, and then you want to put in the grass. So it should look like this. Apply some collision if you want it, and then boom. Just size it down a bit. There you have it, your very own grass model. So that's how you make it. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And without further ado, peace.